Course Plus. Expressway to elegant career.
How to use mindfulness to get to sleep more quickly. There are many aspects of our modern lives that simply don't help when it comes to our state of mind. One of these is sleep. The problem being that most of us are not getting anywhere near enough of it. If you struggle to get sleep, or don't sleep particularly well once you get there, then that means you're going to face the whole next day feeling anxious and jittery. You'll be running on empty, as it were, and your body will respond with a cascade of stress hormones. Meditation can help with stress, but what you might not realize is that it also helps with sleep. One way it does this is by simply helping you calm your mind. We all know that meditation elicits a state of calm, and practicing getting into this state makes it easier to achieve and maintain in the future. That means you can put aside distracting thoughts and calm your heart rate in order to sleep better. But what you might not have realized is that you can also use mindfulness along with CBT, or cognitive behavioral therapy. This is a psychotherapeutic approach that revolves around identifying problem thoughts and then replacing them with healthy ones. That might mean dismantling an irrational fear, for example. In our case, though, it will mean quieting the mind to help with sleep. You see, the problem many of us face when trying to get to sleep is that we treat it like an urgent mission. We find ourselves thinking things like, I must get to sleep quickly, or I'm going to be so tired in the morning. And doing this causes us to feel stressed. We produce adrenaline and cortisol, and our heart rate increases. Our mind races. As you might imagine, this is not conducive to sleep. So what's the answer? Replace those thoughts. Try this one. Even if I don't get to sleep, just resting is very good for me. I'm comfortable here. I have nothing I need to do now, and I can relax and enjoy thinking about the day. Make this your mission, and you'll find that it's much easier to drift off into a relaxed sleep. Even if you don't, you'll be at least in a calmer mental state, similar to meditation itself. And here's the best bit. Studies show that those who meditate regularly actually need less sleep than those who don't.